Hey traders, in this video, we're looking at the RSX indicator for MT4. This refined version of the classic relative strength index offers a smoother and more responsive oscillator that reduces noise and delivers cleaner momentum signals. In this video, you will see how RSX differs from RSI, how it appears on the chart, and which trading applications are highlighted. The RSX indicator, which stands for Relative Strength Index Extended, is a refined version of the popular RSI that aims to eliminate inherent noise and lag found in the traditional indicator. It uses a digital signal processing technique that incorporates filter-based logic to reduce the effect of market noise, resulting in a cleaner curve that oscillates between 0 and 100. Like RSI, readings above 70 typically indicate overbought conditions, while readings below 30 suggest oversold levels. But the smoother nature of RSX tends to avoid false signals during sideways market movement. On the MT4 chart, the RSX indicator appears in a separate window beneath the price chart, displaying a line that fluctuates between 0 and 100, similar to the familiar RSI format. The RSX line is noticeably smoother than traditional RSI, filtering out the jittery and erratic movements that often plague momentum oscillators during volatile conditions. This smoothness allows for more reliable signal generation and reduces whipsaw, which are false entries or exits caused by erratic market moves. The indicator's key parameters include the period setting, with common values being 14 or 21 candles, and the price type, typically set to close but adjustable to open, high, low, or median price. Default levels are typically set as 70 for overbought and 30 for oversold conditions, though this can be customized based on trading style and market condition. You can also allow for color customization and alerts, sound alerts, email alerts, push notification, and messages when setting threshold levels are crossed. The RSX indicator is suitable for traders who rely on momentum-based strategies but want improved accuracy and fewer false signals across all time frames. It can be used for overbought and oversold reversals, trend following by confirming momentum when RSX remains above or below 50, and divergence trading where price and RSX movements contradict each other. However, the smoothness that makes RSX attractive can also cause it to lag slightly during rapid market shifts, and it can remain in extreme zones for extended periods during strong trends, so it should not be used in isolation. You can download the RSX indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how the RSX offers a significant upgrade over traditional oscillators by providing smoother, more reliable signals with reduced market noise. If you like refined momentum tools with cleaner signal generation, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator content.